Hello and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. Here, of course, is a stained glass window taken in a church, and while the sun was hitting it from behind, it's funny, I used to help at a church in the summers, and the best window that they had faced north. I mean, they had a lot of great windows, but the best one, sort of behind the altar, faced north. So it never really got hit by the sun. And I suppose if I ever was back there again, and I was helping again, I would figure out some sort of thing that had a number of rather bright, I suspect, LED lights, um, kind of put together, kind of in a similar shape to the stained glass window, and put it behind, and not really tell anybody, because there was a spot, a roof area right behind it, that would have been very safe and very secure and very dandy. And not tell anybody anything, and just one day, perhaps before Sunday services, maybe on a dark day, before anybody was in, turn on the lights, and they could see the window like they had never seen it before, and just let them wonder, how was that happening? Funny, I did a thing like that once when I was helping there. I had a tape of songbirds, and while we were getting ready one Sunday, I put that on and had it playing through the PA, not overly loud, but, so it could be noticed and heard. And the rector said, wow, the birds are loud. Now, of course, there were a lot of windows in the church, and we would open them for circulation and all that, and it was summer. And it did take them a while to realize that, oh, that's you. And I had no intention of playing the birds through the service, and of course I did shut them off. Anyway, here we have a shot I took. I suspect it was for a contest, because, of course, the contest had a category called church. So I thought, yeah, this is very church-like. Anyway, there are still people who do stained glass windows, and these great artists. It really is remarkable, the things that they can do, and I suspect the techniques are a combination of modern and historic, I would think. Anyway, for my part of it, my job was to just, well, get a shot for the contest, but also try and be there when the sun was shining through, because they look so much better. I wish I had another one that I maybe would have shot that night. You know what it's like? My mother had a lamp, and somewhere I still have it. It's got cameo things on them, and they're like oval, and really, when they're just sitting there, they look like nothing. But when you turn on the lamp, well, that's something. Anyway, this is something. So thanks for being here. Thanks for coming to the wonderful world of photography, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.